Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Wave Accounting for Contractor Expense Tracking, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type waveapps.com and hit enter. Once the Wave Accounting homepage loads, look for the Sign Up Free button. Click on the Sign Up Free button. You'll be directed to the account creation page. Fill in your email address, create a strong password, and enter your business name. After entering the required information, click on Get Started. Follow the prompts to enter additional details about your business. Once you've completed these steps, check your email for a verification message from Wave. Open the email and click the verification link provided. Return to the Wave Accounting website. Log in using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the section labeled Transactions or Expenses. Click on that section to set it up for contractor expense tracking. You may need to categorize your expenses based on your specific contractor needs. Explore other features like invoicing or reporting if needed. To access Wave on a mobile device, download the Wave app from your device's app store. Open the app and log in using the same credentials as your Wave account. Now you can start tracking your contractor expenses easily. Familiarize yourself with the app's layout and options. Consider customizing your settings according to your business needs. Congratulations, you've successfully set up Wave Accounting for Contractor Expense Tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.